I've been waiting for someone for too long, and I'm starting to get impatient.
Who are you waiting for?
Mike. He said he'd be here 30 minutes ago.
That's annoying. Did he say why he's late?
No, he hasn't even sent a message or called.
Maybe he's stuck in traffic or something.
Maybe, but he could at least let me know.
I get that. Waiting without any updates is frustrating.
Exactly. I don't want to be rude, but it's really annoying.
Do you want to give him a call and check what's up?
I guess I should. I just hate feeling like I'm nagging.
It's not nagging if you're just checking in.
True. I'll give him a quick call now.
Hey Alex. Sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Alright, thanks for the update. See you soon.
What did he say?
He's on his way, should be here in 10 minutes.
That's good, at least now you know.
Yeah, I just wish he'd told me earlier.
I understand. Waiting around can really test your patience.
For sure, but at least he's coming soon.
Definitely, we'll just have to hang in there a bit longer.
Hey, could I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I've noticed that you've been vomiting a lot lately outside by the side of the house.
Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry about that. It's just my morning sickness.
I understand, but it's been making it really unpleasant for us next door.
I didn't realize it was bothering anyone. I just try to get outside quickly when I feel it coming.
I get that, and I'm sorry you're going through this, but the smell is really starting to affect us.
Oh, I feel awful about that. I just don't know where else to go in the moment.
Maybe you could try to use a different spot, or perhaps a bag or something indoors.
I suppose I could try to keep a trash bin nearby. It's just been hard to manage.
I understand. Pregnancy isn't easy, but we really need to find a solution that works for both of us.
You're right. I'll do my best to keep it contained and not bother anyone else.
Thanks, Jessica. We appreciate it. We're just trying to keep things clean and comfortable over here.
Of course. I don't want to cause any problems. I'll figure out a better plan.
That would be great. Thanks for understanding.
No problem. I'll be more careful from now on.
Let us know if you need any help or anything.
Thanks. I appreciate your understanding.
Anytime. We're all neighbors here, and we just want to get along.
Absolutely. Thanks for bringing it up kindly.
No worries. Take care, and I hope the morning sickness gets better soon.
Thanks. I hope so too.
I can't help but feel jealous when I see you chatting with other guys.
They're just friends. You know you're the only one for me.
I know, but sometimes it feels like you're more interested in them.
That's not true at all. I just enjoy talking to people and making new friends.
I get that, but it's hard for me when I see those messages.
I understand. I'll try to be more mindful of how it makes you feel.
I appreciate that. It's just that sometimes I need reassurance.
Of course, I want you to feel secure in our relationship.
Thanks, I know I'm being a bit insecure.
It's okay, we all have our insecurities, just talk to me about it.
I'll try. I don't want to come off as controlling.
You're not. Communication is important, and I want us to be open with each other.
I agree. I just worry that you might find someone else more interesting.
You're the one I want to be with. No one else compares to you.
Hearing that makes me feel a lot better.
Good, because it's the truth. I love you, and I'm committed to us.
I love you too. I'm sorry if I overreact sometimes.
It's okay, we'll work through this together.
Yeah, we will. Let's make sure to always talk about how we're feeling.
Definitely, honesty and communication are key.
Agreed. Thank you for understanding.
Anytime, you're my partner, and I want us both to be happy. Johnny, you need to clean up your room, it's a mess.
Why do you always nag me? I'll do it when I feel like it.
Johnny, it's important to keep things tidy, please listen to me.
You're not the boss of me. I can do what I want.
I'm your mother, and I'm asking you to respect our home.
I don't care, just leave me alone.
Johnny, this behavior is not acceptable. You need to listen and do your chores.
You can't make me. I'll just do what I want.
Ignoring me and talking back is not going to help you.
Whatever, I'm going to my friend's house.
No, you're not going anywhere until you clean your room and apologize for being rude.
I don't want to, you're so annoying.
Johnny, you need to understand that rules are there for a reason.
I don't care about your stupid rules.
Being disrespectful and stubborn won't get you anywhere.
Stop trying to control me.
I'm not trying to control you, I'm trying to teach you responsibility.
Just let me do whatever I want.
You need to learn that actions have consequences.
Fine, whatever. I'll clean my room. Happy now?
I'll be happy when you start respecting yourself and others.
Whatever, just stop bothering me.
Please subscribe and see in the next video.